or veggie oil.
We're round 2, eh? Round 2 with Mr. Wang's.
Yay!
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's
Round 2, round 2
So
again.
every time
Okay,
you do
okay.
stir fry,
Yeah.
you put a little bit of oil, but this time we're gonna pan fry the noodles. You wanna put just a little bit more than the regular one we use. So just a little bit more.
Okay.
Because the noodle will absorb a lot of water. So you want to heat up. It gets like, now I have the oil way too high, and you want it to be very high temperature. So it will have a little bit like deep fried texture at the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that pan's for the stir fry?
That's
Or
for the noodle.
For the noodle? Okay.
That's for the noodle.
And this is the stir fry
This
pan.
is the stir fry.
Okay.
I'll do this first, and I'll put the noodle here. Normally we'll do it at the same time. So
Yeah.
when you bring over and the noodle's still hot and this is still warm, right?
Okay.
Okay.
But I'm gonna cook it first, and I'm gonna bring over there. It's gonna get cold anyway, so I'm gonna do it separately so I can show you guys better.
Okay.
So now,
Voila.
so you see the oil is not like stick to the pot, so it's getting hot. Now just before it gets smoked, I'm gonna put all the way in. So now it's a little bit dry, but it's okay. You guys wanna get like, once you open up the package,
Yep.
you will feel the moisture. That's
Oh.
the best.
Okay.
That's the best time?
Yeah, best time to
To
put it.
throw it in?
Yeah. So
I like that.
Don't. Neil even bought one of these yesterday.
Oh, yeah. I did.
oh, where?
I don't know. It got ripped off somewhere.
Okay.
And we even bought a basket too. And
Oh, okay.
Neil was just buying everything yesterday.
That's for
Oh, someone's gonna cook now.
Yeah.
grease bandit.
So once you put it, you don't want to kind of
Big.
move it. Just
Okay.
leave it there.
Okay.
And I'm gonna bring the heat down a little bit,
Okay.
and you can just kind of move it real hot. I tried making the dishes 2 days ago with instant noodle, and that one works fine too.
Mm.
But egg noodle tastes way better. So if you want to try other different noodle, you want to put the egg yolk in the noodle and mix it, so
Yeah.
it would give you better taste. But instant noodle works fine too.
Like a little package one?
Yeah.
A little square
Can
package?
you show us what the instant
Ichiban noodles.
Ichiban.
Yeah, Ichiban.
Oh.
He's talking Ichiban
Oh.
noodles.
Ichiban.
Okay.
Ichiban is a Japanese.
Yeah,
It's,
like those ones
Yeah,
there.
okay.
Heat up a little bit. Yeah, this is gonna take a little bit longer.
Oh, you're frying it together.
Yeah.
You're like a, okay.
Oh.
And then are you gonna flip it? Is that what you're gonna try and do?
You're
Cook
gonna
like
flip it.
okay.
You're gonna go.
Oh,
That's deep.
that's a hard one for you.
Right. And what you want to do is you wanna have it like the outside part crunchy,
Yeah.
inside part kind of soft.
Soft.
Yeah, this is what you want to get.
So that'd be like a single serving, eh, for a person?
That's a single serving.
Okay, nice. Like a pancake you're trying to make.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Okay.
Here we go.
That's
This way.
right.
Getting back up. Here we go.
This
Slapping
is,
with your
I think
noodles.
this is a little bit, still a little bit dry, so we're gonna try
Okay.
just 1 second. So I'm gonna
Okay.
preheat this one right
Okay.
now. Yeah, let's see.
Oh
Oh, a
yeah.
little bit overburned. That's okay.
Okay.
It's not too bad.
Oh yes. Okay.
I guess we can turn the heat down a little bit.
That's just right.
Yeah, that's good.
I guess fresh one is better because this one is a little bit more dry.
Yeah.
But I guess when you guys cook it, we can turn the heat low a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. And this one is kind of warm right now. Let's do it. Okay. I'll take all the stuff here. See you.
Okay, there's your. I'm gonna stand over here. Where are you gonna stand? Over.
Carrying it on your back.
Get it
So
on the
when it comes to
bed.
seafood, we want to put ginger. Ginger go with the seafood really well.
Okay.
So oil.
Yeah, I didn't find it in oil. That's not good.
Now it's still going.
I found that we saw like sesame seed oil. Yeah.
Yeah, this is sesame oil we use. We got it from superstores. It tastes really good. You wanna buy like sesame oil made in Japan. They make better sesame oil. And one with ginger. Now I can turn the heat off and just let it still cook for a bit. Here.
Yep.
You put all the garlic.
The garlic.
Yeah, just leave a little bit for the veggie. We're
Okay.
gonna do with the seafood right now.
Okay. So the shrimp,
Yeah. And
the calamari, the squid. Okay, but I don't even want to repeat what squid is really called. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, if you don't like,
我帮我拿那个
you're gonna suffer eating it.
那个转的那个。
Oh, sorry.
You don't want. You just gonna
Okay.
cook it a little bit, not like overcook. Now I want to put some pepper. Because
Okay.
I like pepper.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how we got it, and now they look really good, eh?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna put on the side.
Okay.
Add more oil.
Pepper.
Oh, white pepper. It tastes different.
Yeah, white pepper.
Yeah. White pepper is more spicy than regular.
That's the outside of the peppercorn, right?
No, I taste the difference inside.
It's a different pepper, I
Different
think.
pepper.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a totally different pepper. So
And
onions.
I've had someone ask me the same question, but that's the way I found it is I use more black pepper for marinade, and I put it when I cook it, and I use more white pepper when the stuff's finished. But you know, like for Chinese dish, and anyways, but for Indian dish, you can never eat that, right?
Huh.
Careful.
Ma. Ma.
All right. So I got a flavor. You want to put all this in,
You're gonna put all the veggies in now?
except the green stuff.
Okay.
The,
That'll
the
go.
white chai.
Okay.
That'll go
What was that? Vegetable?
It's called white chai.
Boy chai.
Yeah. You can buy it from any Chinese market store, or we bought it from superstore. So it's DOY. I have the recipe there.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Smells good.
Now I'm gonna heat down a little bit.
Okay.
Because this is the time I want to make the sauce.
Yes. the sauce.
This is secret sauce.
Secret
I
sauce?
got that yesterday too.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so
Okay.
excited.
This is the right one.
Settle
you guys
down.
got, right?
Let's watch this.
Okay. Well, don't feel comfortable.
Neil was getting mad at
2
me.
tablespoonfuls of
Neil was
garlic.
Just
paste.
one.
One? Okay.
So when you don't feel comfortable
like
putting
walk
sauce,
with your hand.
you already like stuff get burned. Just turn the heat out, and this is soy sauce. This is this one.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
That's a dark soy sauce?
That's light.
That's a light.
The deep one I'll show you later.
Okay.
And now
That's extra. A little bit of water?
yeah.
Okay. Holy shit, that's a lot of action, Jackson.
Okay, our noodles almost ready.
You got her in check?
When everything's kind of cooked, you want to add some sugar.
Okay.
This is the salt.
Oh
This
boy.
is the sugar.
1 teaspoon?
1.5.
Mmm.
Okay. Just wanna
Mmm.
Tastes good.
Tastes
Need
good?
some salt.
Little salt?
Yeah. It's
Half
good
a-
for me, but
Half a teaspoonful? Roughly? Or now it's flavor time.
okay. All right. And now we want to do it quick.
Okay.
We want to turn the heat low a little bit.
Okay, and that's
this
what?
This is a corn flour.
Corn flour or cornstarch?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch, okay.
But we call it corn flour anyway, it's the same thing. So I want to mix it with a little bit of water. And this is not like for just me, this is for all of us.
Yeah.
We can also use this much.
Just a
Okay.
thickening
Yeah, just-
agent or
yeah.
whatever.
Can you use tapioca?
What's that?
What's tapioca? Is that the same as
Hey, you're bugging the guy. He's in the middle of fucking
I'm not quite
rice.
sure.
His,
Actually, I
his
heard
rice
that
is gonna
part,
burn.
Okay. Put that on the side.
Can you ask your questions after?
So you want to make your juice harden, so you can do just one at a time
Yep.
and just kind of feel it.
Then you're just looking for a good consistent sauce.
That's right.
Fucking right.
It's, now you're still mixing stuff until it gets like the sauce you want.
Yeah, the consistency.
That's right.
You know.
Now sometimes you want to put this back.
Okay. Yeah, you can smell the sauce. Smells good. So just a simple, didn't need 10 different kinds of soy sauce in that. Just simple.
Yeah. I'll show you the dark one later.
Okay.
All the color actually from this sauce here,
Yeah.
not from there. Because
Okay.
if you just put that, the color will still be very light.
Yeah.
So so this is the sauce we want. That's about like sticky we want.
Okay.
Okay. Put the noodle back here. Then
It's gonna be a bit of a challenge. Oh, you're gonna cook the choy or the buck boy.
we don't want those veggies to be overcooked.
Yeah.
It's got lots of water, and it will.
It'll water up the dish again.
That's right.
Okay.
So just a little bit. Now you can turn the heat down. Kinda
What did you have your
mix it.
heat on this whole time here?
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
Medium. I was at the medium.
All the
Medium
time?
high. Well, like I had it high and medium, like in between.
Okay.
Depends if you want to keep your pot boiling or not. So
Okay.
when you put the sauce, you don't want to get it too hot.
Yeah.
So you can either put on the side and kind of put the sauce in and back on the stove.
Yeah.
Or you can just turn the heat down.
Okay.
Okay. And that should be good.
that looks good.
Yeah, I'll do that one.
Alright, I'll put my pot on the side. And
Okay.
just one really quick thing. I always want to put this one later.
Drizzle it?
Yeah, just add the. Oh, this one I just bought it yesterday, so I have the old one open.
Okay.
Yeah, and just bring up flavor.
So so it's still like hot and warm, right?
That's
Now,
sesame oil.
That's the sesame oil. Just kind of wanna
Just drizzle a little
drizzle
bit.
a little bit, and when you bring it on the table, you'll feel the smell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get your mouth out of
Oh
there.
yeah, you smell. That smells good.
All right, I'll put on the side. You guys can get going.
So what's it called? What do you call that in
We call it Cantonese chow mein.
Cantonese chow mein? Okay.
Yeah, but it's Bernaise. This is very popular in Canton. People, you can either deep fry it or you can just pan fry the noodle
Yeah.
and make all stir fry and still on top.
Okay.
This is very. It's the same thing like stir fry on rice. This is stir fry on crispy noodles.
Okay, good. Like a
All
bird's
right.
nest. Right on. Okay.
Ready?
Thank you.